To make a Fidelity loan payment, start by gathering the necessary information, including your loan account number and the payment amount you wish to make. Next, decide on the payment method you will use, such as online banking, phone, or mail. If you choose to pay online, go to the Fidelity website and log into your account. Navigate to the loan section and select the loan you want to make a payment on. Enter the payment amount and choose the payment method, such as a bank account or debit card. Review the payment details and confirm the transaction. If you prefer to pay by phone, call the Fidelity customer service number and follow the prompts to make a payment. You will need to provide your loan account number and payment information. To pay by mail, send a check or money order to the address listed on your loan statement, making sure to include your loan account number on the payment. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Keep a record of your payments, including the date and amount paid, to track your progress and stay organized. Before making a payment, review your loan terms and conditions to understand any applicable fees or interest rates. If you have multiple loans with Fidelity, make sure to specify which loan you are making a payment on to avoid any confusion. By following these steps and best practices, you can make a Fidelity loan payment efficiently and effectively, helping you manage your debt and achieve your financial goals.